আমাদের ইলেকট্রিক খরচাটা কমে যাবে। যোগাযোগ করেছে, তো মহারাজ টাকা পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে। তারপরে গোসেবার জন্য কোথা থেকে তাকে ভগবান নিয়ে আসে এবং তার ভক্তদেরকে তিনি বলছেন, হ্যাঁ তুমি এখানে সেবা করো। ওরা তো তোমাদের চব্বিশে অত ইয়ে করতে পারে না, তাই যারা এখানে এসি ভক্তি বেদান্ত স্বামী মহারাজের শিষ্য, কিন্তু তিনি এখানে এসে খুব ভালো লেগেছে, তাই তিনি সেবা করছেন। আবার কার্তিক মাসে আসবেন বৃন্দাবনের ভক্তবৃন্দকে নিয়ে, তাই কে কোত্থেকে কখন সেবা করেন সেটা আমরা বলতে পারি না। ভগবানই। এবং কালকে yesterday I see that DT, maybe you sent বৃন্দাবনে রাধাকৃষ্ণ ডিটি রেডি হয়ে গেছে। কালকে আমার কাছে ছবি এসছে, বৃন্দাবনের জন্যে রাধাকৃষ্ণের মানে মূর্তি মায়াপুরে তৈরি হচ্ছে এবং সেটা প্রায় অনেকখানি হয়ে গেছে। এই জুন মাসের প্রথম তারিখেই পাওয়া যাবে, সেটাও রেডি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। সেটাও দিচ্ছেন ওই মহারাজ পরমাদ্বৈতী, শ্রীপাদ পরমাদ্বৈতী মহারাজ। তিনি ওটা নিজের থেকে বলে আমি এটা দান করব। ওটাও প্রায় ৮০,০০০ টাকা দাম। আর এই শুদ্ধাদ্বৈতী মহারাজ উনি এই বছরে এসছেন এখানে, এসে এখন বিদেশে ওনার অনেক ভক্ত আছে, তুর্কি এবং রোমানিয়া কোথায় কোথায় প্রচার করছেন, আমাকেও নিয়ে যাবেন বলছেন। হ্যাঁ, তো তিনি সেবা করবেন প্রথমে গুরুকুল। গুরুকুল তো আমরা এখনও ঠিক করে উঠতে পারিনি। তারপরে এখন বলছেন কিছু একটা প্রজেক্ট, গ্রন্থ ছাপা ইত্যাদি কিছু করতে চাচ্ছেন। তাহলে সোলার লাইটের কথা বললাম, তিনি খুব উৎসাহ করলেন। ঠিক আছে, সোলার লাইট হলে আমাদের বিদ্যুতের যে বিল আসে তার খরচাটা কমবে, তো তিনি সেটার জন্যে সাহায্য করছেন আর কি। আর তো আমরা we are very happy Sripad Shuddhadvaiti Maharaj and his devotees trying to serve the Guru Gauranga Radha Madan Mohan Ji in Navadip, and this is the nature of Vaishnavas, they want to serve. So anyway, Navadip Dham Seva, Navadip Dham Seva, Vrindavan Dham Seva is very special, where the Lord appeared, and in this place if we can do Seva, it is also very good for us, it will be good for us. Navadip Shevilei Vrindavan Spure, Navadip Shebabina Vrindavan Dure. It is told in Bhakti Ratnakar, if we serve the Navadip, then Vrindavan will automatically reveal to us. Navadip Shevilei Vrindavan Spure, Navadip Shebabina Vrindavan Dure. And without service to Navadip, Vrindavan will be far. So, Maharaj, we are very grateful and happy for his kindness. He also inspiring us in this service of Guru Gauranga, Radha Madan Mohan Ji, and here he also already serving the cow, Go Seva, also inspiring us in various kinds of service. We also thinking how to make some young students to come here and they listen. At least we're going to start on Sunday. We shall going to invite the students, young students that come. They can stay sometimes and can take prasadam. So it is all by Maharaj also inspiration. We are so happy and glad that they are already very blessed by our Guru Varga and already serving, and it is so nice. They from Tursca, from Romania, devotee and doing seva. So it is great news for us that devotee can born anywhere, maybe in Tursca, maybe in Romania, maybe in Europe, in America, anywhere they can born and they can serve. We are seeing that. So we are praying for all of them that today Akshaya Tritiya, a good time, that this Tritiya is very auspicious, and in this time if we do anything, there will never be loss. So for the satisfaction of Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan, if we do anything, that will give us real benefit for our life. And service is life-giving. It is giving energy. It's not that if we do service, we lose our energy. No, it is not ordinary labor. It's labor of love. Labor of love. Guru Maharaj says, love for Lord Krishna. And so devotees already understood that and doing, and Maharaj inspiring them also. He also doing seva, inspiring them also seva. And seva is so important. We learn from our Guru Varga that atasya Krishna namadi no bhavet grajyam indriyoi. We are doing Krishna Nam, but it is told that this Krishna Nam will not appear in this our material tongue. Krishna's Nam, Roop, Gun, Lila, his form, his many good qualities, Guna, his pastimes, all will not reveal to us if we not engage our senses for his service. So, and when we engage our senses in his service, then this will automatically reveal to us. Atasya Krishna namadi nabhavet grajyam indriyoi. In these material senses it will not appear, but these senses will be spiritual when we shall engage them in their service. Sevanmukhi jivbhadu. Seva means sevanmukhi jivbhadu. When our senses will try for the satisfaction service which will satisfy him, that type of service is so good result that all these things, Krishna's Naam, Krishna's form, Krishna's Leela, Krishna's all good qualities will appear automatic in our heart. So therefore we see devotees are doing so nice seva day and night, 24 hours. 24 hours seva is our life. We had a great person, name is, when I was in my previous life, I read about Ronald Nixon. And Ronald Nixon, today Srila Pujapad Bhakti Vichar Jajamar Goswami Maharaj's appearance, he also used to tell this story, and he heard from Guru Maharaj and Vishnupasala Bhakti Rakhak, Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. Ronald Nixon is it is before ISKCON, even 1942, Second World War time. He was a pilot, and he was in the plane, and there is war is going on. So the plane got fired. There is no hope that he will save his life. He will going to die. But that time he promised to Lord Bhagavan, if there is some power can save him, then he will sacrifice his full life for him, for his service. And after that, what happened? The plane crashed, the plane fell down, and he's supposed to die, but miraculously he not died. He injured. When he got back his consciousness, he see he's in hospital bed, and he's not in his enemy side. His plane he's supposed to come to the enemy side. Then there is no hope that he will be alive. But some miracle way he come his party side, and that time, after that, gradually when he recovered, and then he remembered, oh, I promised that if some miracle way, if I become alive, I can get back my life, then I shall give my full energy, full time for the service of the divine cause. Oh, save me. Then he searched. He went to the churches, etc. But somewhere he understood, somebody told him, what you are looking, you go to Bharatvarsha. Bharatvarsha is the place of spirituality, religion. You will get something, what you come. Then he come back by the Lord's will. He got the place to stay in Lucknow University's Vice Chancellor house, and his wife is a devotee. And so he got initiated, he took Harinam, etc. That time India in British rule, some of his friends and other people, those who are not really spiritual, they are something criticizing, but he is saying, oh, you don't know what is there. We say some kusanskar, you think this is a bad habit, etc. Actually no. It is the scriptures all are directed in these things. Then he chanting when he Harinam, etc. And then he took initiation, and his name, he got the name Krishna Prema. In Himalaya somewhere he got his Guru, Almora Mittala somewhere. But his Krishna mantra he got something. And his Ronald Nixon became Krishna Prema. He wrote so many books. And I also read before I come to join to the mission, to the Guru Maharaj. And inspired me, oh, something is there. So, but he looking that full time I want to give my energy. And full time is here only possible. Ashto Kaliyo Lila, 8 Prahar, Ashto Prahar engagement for the service. Full time he want to dedicate his life, and finally he dedicated. And he became Krishna Prema. So we want our full time, full energy for the Lord, and thereby you shall be get, no doubt. vidyate hridaya granthi chinnante sarva samshaya khiyante chasya karmani moyidishta khilatmane. If we engage ourselves in Krishna consciousness, means in the service of Krishna, then what we'll get? Our ahankar, our knot, is like a knot in our heart, our ego. That ego is very difficult to cut, but it's like a knot. But if we engage ourselves in the service of the Lord, then we shall be able to see Lord everywhere. And thereby our doubt will also go. And our karma, we are getting a result of the karma, and we are suffering. Anadi karma phale pari bhavarnava jale toribare na dekhi upaye. Our past karma, the activities we have done, the sinful activities, and there's things, the result now we are getting, and we are suffering. So how to overcome that sinful activities result? Only if we engage ourselves fully in the service of the Lord. So, service. And then also we can be able to see Lord is everywhere. Moyidishya khilatmane. So, and this is the result of Krishna consciousness. Guru Maharaj always used to say, Jasmin gyati satam viggatam bhavati. Why we shall be so much, enthusiastic for Krishna? Because if we know Krishna, then we shall know everything. Jasmin gyate satam viggatam bhavati. Our Upanishad saying such nice things, and it is true. But only by knowing Him we shall know everything. No other way that we shall know everything. By knowing Krishna we shall know everything. Jasmin gyate satam viggatam, Jasmin. If we get Him, we shall get everything. Jasmin gyate satam viggatam bhavati, jasmin prapta satam praptam bhavati. By knowing Him, we shall know everything. By getting Him, we shall get everything. And it is possible. The example is that if we give food in the stomach, our whole body gets the nourishment, right? Same way. If we get Krishna, we shall get everything. If we give water in the root, all the trees will get nourishment. No need to give branches or other places. So only satisfying Krishna, we shall be satisfied, we shall know everything, we shall get everything. So this is the very scientific process, we can say. Very, very scientific. It is not something that we are foolishly following. Krishna consciousness is very scientific. If we please Him, we shall also please Him. So, Ishopanishad also saying the same, Isha avasyam sarvam, jagattang jagattena tektina bhunjita, ma gridha kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to the Lord of this world. And if we use those things for Him, for His service, and we shall take prasadam, then we shall overcome the Maya. Otherwise, no way, Isha avasyam. And Tayupabhukta Sagandha Vasalankara Charchita Uchishta Bhojino Dasastava Mayang Jayamahi. Maya is our big enemy. But we don't know how to overcome. No, we know. By scriptures told. Buddha Maharaj telling that by taking his remanent prasadam, we can overcome the Maya. Toyupabhukta sa gandha vasalankar. What we offer to him, garland, scent, fragrance, all things we shall offer him and then take as a remanent prasadam. And by honoring that prasadam, we shall be able to overcome his maya. So this is the best process. So many devotees from various parts of the world today, they are realizing these things and doing. So it is so nice that they are doing Shiva for the Dham, for the deity, for so many things which is connected with the Lord Shiva. So I am praying to the Lord for everybody's. They get more devotion to Krishna, they get more attraction for Krishna. That we, our only prayer, our devotion will give us Krishna. Without devotion, and devotion means Seva, Bhakti means Seva. And Bhavadhatu Shevayam, this Seva. So if we have Bhakti, then we are rich. So if we have eye, we can see anything. If you have no eye, you cannot see. We are blind man, cannot see anything. Same if you ear, we can hear something, we can listen something. If you no ear, then you can listen or hear. Same if you have some Shraddha, if you have a bhakti, we have a faith, and then we can see there is Bhagavan, right? And where you shall get? Bhaktistu Bhagavat Bhakta Shangena Parijayate. With the association of devotees, you shall get devotion. And what is Sangha? Sangha means not only stay with them, Sangha means Seva. If we stay, Guru Maharaj saying, if we stay maybe in London, in anywhere of the world, but if we trying to serve there for the satisfaction of Guru or Vaishnava, we are actually doing the Sangha. We are getting the Sangha. If we follow, maybe in distance, no problem, but we are trying for their satisfaction, then it will be a Sangha. It will be a Sangha. And that Sangha, Krishna Bhakti Janmamul Hoy Sadhu Sangha. The root of Krishna Bhakti is Sadhu Sangha. And Sangha means Seva. Sangha means we are trying to satisfy them. So, devotees, they are realizing because of they are associating with good Vaishnavas, I believe. If we have association with good Vaishnavas, automatically we shall know the good things. So, by the mercy and association of Srimad Shuddha Advaita Maharaj, and devotees are also engaging themselves, are giving our obeisances to all of them. Guru Pramanandi, today is Akshaya Tritiya, very good day. And my obeisances to all the Vaishnava Vancha Kalpatarubhasya, Kripa Sindhu Vevacha, Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavebho Namo Namo. No. Vandeham Sri Guru, Sri Juta Padakamalang, Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha, Sri Rupang Sagrajatang, Sahagana Raghunathanitang, Tang Sajivam, Sadvaitang Savadhutang, Purijana Sahitam, কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য দেবং শ্রী রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাদান সহগণ ললিতা শ্রী বিশাখা নিতাংশ্চ। ওম অজ্ঞানতিমিরান্ধস্য জ্ঞানাঞ্জন শলাকয়া চক্ষুরুন্মিলিतं येन তস্मै শ্রী গুরুবে নমঃ। গুরুভাভীষ্ট সুপুরকং গুরুগণৈরাশিষ সম্ভূষিতং চিন্তাচিন্ত সমস্ত বেদ নিপুণং শ্রীরূপ পন্থানুগম। গোবিন্দাভিতমুজ্জ্বলং বরতনু ভক্তান্বিতং সুন্দরং বন্দে বিশ্বগুরুঞ্চ দিব্য ভগবৎ প্রেম হি বিজয়প্রদম। দেবং দিব্যতনং সুছন্দ বদনং বালার্কুচিলাঞ্চিতং সান্দ্রানন্দপুরং সদেকবরণম বৈরাগ বিদ্যাম বুধিম শ্রী সিদ্ধান্ত নিধিং সুভক্তিলসিতং তারস নিশিশ্বরম শ্রীধরম।